What if I gave you just 24 hours? No camera, no microphone, no editing skills. Could you still build a professional YouTube channel? The answer is yes. Today, I'm building an entire YouTube channel using only free AI tools, from finding a niche to creating the first video, thumbnail, and SEO. Let's start where every channel should, choosing the right niche. Step 1. Choosing a niche. The first mistake beginners make is choosing a niche they don't understand. Instead, ask ChatGPT. Suggest 20 YouTube niches that have high search demand, low competition, and can be created using AI. ChatGPT will generate dozens of ideas. For this example, we'll choose AI productivity. Step 2. Finding viral video ideas. Now ask ChatGPT, give me 30 YouTube video ideas for an AI productivity channel. Include searchable titles and curiosity-driven hooks. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, you'll have an entire month's content in seconds. Step 3. Writing the script. Choose one title. For example, 5 AI tools that save office workers 10 hours every week. Now ask ChatGPT, write a 5-minute YouTube script with a powerful hook, simple English, practical examples, a clear conclusion, and a call to action. Read the script and personalize it with your own examples. That's what makes it sound like you, not a robot. Step 4. Creating the voiceover. Open a free AI voice generator like ElevenLabs or Speechify. Paste the script, choose a natural-sounding voice, and generate the audio. Listen to it once and fix any words that don't sound natural. By the way, if this workflow is saving you time so far, hit subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this series. Step 5. Creating and editing the video. Open a free AI video editor like CapCut or Pictory. Import your voiceover, then add screen recordings, stock footage, icons, text animations, and AI-generated visuals. Don't rely only on stock footage. If you're teaching a tool, record your screen while using it. That's what builds trust. While editing, add automatic captions, zoom effects, smooth transitions, and background music. Highlight your key phrases on screen. Cut every long pause and keep the pace fast. Try to change something on screen every 4 to 6 seconds. Step 6. Creating the thumbnail. Open Canva AI and use this prompt. Create a modern YouTube thumbnail with bold text and a shocked expression. Keep it simple. One idea, one emotion, 3 to 5 words. Example, free AI workflow. Step 7. Writing SEO. Back in ChatGPT, ask it to generate an SEO title, a YouTube description, keywords, tags, and a pinned comment. Always review and edit before publishing. Don't post it blindly. Step 8. Uploading. Before you hit publish, check these 5 things. A strong thumbnail, searchable title, good description, correct playlist, and end screens with cards. These 5 things alone can make the difference between a video that flops and one that takes off. Remember, AI won't build a successful YouTube channel for you, but it can save you hours every week. Use that extra time to improve your ideas, tell better stories, and make videos that genuinely help people. That's how channels grow. If this complete workflow helped you, subscribe to Pradeep AI Tools. Every week, I share practical AI systems to help you work smarter.